Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use the time passed effect on TikTok. This filter basically shows you a clock swinging from left to right, showing yourself as present and then revealing an old photo of yourself. To use this effect, open up TikTok. Now tap on search and search for time passed. It should appear in the search results under effects and look like this. Tap on it. While you're here, browse through the videos on how your videos will turn out. If you don't see this effect in your search results, then it's not available for your region at the moment. Keep checking as TikTok will slowly release it for your region. Tap on Try this effect to use it. This will then take you to the TikTok video recording screen. Here, select a photo from your photo library. This has to be a before photo or a photo of yourself when you were young. Now tap on the record button. The effect will first record yourself in the present time, then it'll show your old photo which you have selected. Now this is totally optional. You can add text at the bottom, maybe showing your age before and after. And that is how to use the time pass effect on TikTok. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button and most importantly, please consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.